Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 offers a variety of electrified powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid option that delivers a remarkable blend of power and efficiency. The T8 Recharge variant combines a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 455 horsepower and instant torque for exhilarating acceleration. The all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability across diverse driving conditions, while the smooth 8-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts. The XC90's chassis is finely tuned with adaptive air suspension, offering a supple ride that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly while maintaining sharp handling and agility, making every drive both comfortable and engaging. Step inside, and the XC90's cabin is a sanctuary of Scandinavian craftsmanship and innovation. Premium materials such as sustainably sourced wood, soft leather, and brushed metal accents create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece is a large portrait-oriented 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, offering intuitive voice control, seamless smartphone integration, and access to a wide range of apps and services. The digital driver display is customizable, providing essential information at a glance. Comfort is paramount with heated and ventilated seats, 4-zone climate control, and an available Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system that delivers immersive audio quality. The spacious interior accommodates 7 passengers with flexible seating configurations, ensuring versatility for families and adventurers alike. Safety remains a cornerstone of Volvo's philosophy, and the 2026 XC90 is equipped with the latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including pilot assist semi-autonomous driving, collision avoidance with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system. Innovative features like the advanced air purification system and customizable ambient lighting elevate the driving experience further. The 2026 Volvo XC90 stands out as a true leader in its class, combining timeless design, electrified power, luxurious comfort, and groundbreaking technology to deliver an SUV that's as inspiring as it is capable.